Hey guys, it's Abby from Soulflare, here to show you how to do this behind the back spin I like to call the rising sun. Starting from wall plane in front of your body, you will turn to face the other direction while your dominant hand continues the rotation, passing the bar off to your other hand when the bar is perpendicular to the ground at the 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock positions. Eventually, it should look like this. Let's break things down. I'm right-handed and spinning counterclockwise, so feel free to adjust these movements to your preferences. Grab the center of the bar with your right hand when it is behind your head in a vertical position, sweeping your arms outward and tracing a half circle as your wheel completes a full rotation. With your left palm facing backward, grab the center of the bar when the wheel is behind your back. Complete the half circle movement with a full rotation on this side and repeat the process. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments below.